Hi, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to remove background from images and make them transparent without using any software, and also that's free. But before starting, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Let's start. First of all, you have to go to my website, which link is in the description. Now click below to go to the website for making image background transparent. You can see the website is opening. Now just upload your image here in order to make it transparent. Now you can see it's processing. Scroll down here, it's your result. Now click on the download button to download the removed background image. You can now see the image background has been removed. If you understand this tutorial, kindly like the video and subscribe to my channel.